Operation Find Birdman is definitely a go right now, though. We saw a guy with, again, what kind of bird?
Cockatoo.
Cockatoo. And it was on the guy's shoulder, and so we're hoping he's still here. Gotta find him.
He was carrying him in his hand and had a leash.
Oh, did it have a leash?
On.
Oh, harness. Oh, yeah. I guess that's the politically correct term.
That guy would carry him without a harness.
It looked like he was going somewhere over there.
We're in time for the...
Ooh, fountains! Oh, dude, I found the bird! The Birdman! Found him. That bird is getting it, dude.
Little mini bat there.
Go say hi. Pet her. Pet her.
Hey.
Your parents got great taste in music. Yeah, he's got great taste in music.
Oh, that's awesome.
Hey.
Pet her. Gotta pet her.
Hey.
Pet her.
Pet her, Matt.
Sweetheart.
Let her go.
Sweetheart.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Beautiful bird.
Brad, aren't you?
Really?
Unwanted pet.
Wow.
It's so sad.
But she got real press cutters on her. Was locked away in a room and everybody ignored her.
Well, I'm glad that she got a good home. I know.
So happy. That's the BMW, I think. Yeah. That's pretty sick.
Mission.
Is it?
Yeah. It's got French flags.
Oh,
French.
dang. French fries.
Got French flags.
French flags.
Back open.
Eh.
You didn't.
Oh gosh. Did I? No, nothing left. Okay, we're good.
Say hello to the majestic Danielle eating the Jimmy John's.
Oh.
Darn it.
Okay, for real this time. Okay, we're going to Walmart now. We took the bikes back home. It's just too cold and we don't have our endorsements, and so we can't ride at night legally. Not like we haven't. In Mexico, we ride at night all the time.
30 seconds.
And this guy's truck is really loud. Go for it. Go for it. Oh. Oh, speed racer. Oh, shit, dude. Did you see that? Dude, you made marks on the ground. That was sick, dude. Go. 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 Dude, there's workers to the right. You can't stop. You can't stop. You can't. You can't stop. You can't stop. You can't stop. You gotta go. This is the entrance. I'm walking ahead of you because I feel scared. Okay. Okay, let's go get milk. Come on. Yeah, it's good.
Jesus fuck.
She's on her fucking skin.
She's beating me fucking skin.
I'm Batman. Anyone need a pumpkin? We found pumpkins in the toy section. I think they're real. Yeah, they're real. Oh God. Oh God, what do I do? What do I do? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Minecraft card game?
Game question mark. Like, are they even sure? They're like, did we actually make a card game?
It might be a Minecraft card game, but we're not really sure.
We're not really sure. I'm not really sure.
I'm curious.
Card game? Card game?
Card? Okay, so you mine for resource cards. You craft tools. And I guess your goal is to get...
Yeah, who cares? We're out. Yeah, it's only fair. We're nice people. See, you put it back, okay. Gosh. Okay, so unfortunately we made it to Taco Bell. This is gonna be really weird. 2 hours later, literally like a couple hours for us. Well, an hour, 40 minutes, what did you say? It didn't actually take us 40 minutes to get here, but we had to run home first.
It smells like winter.
Yeah, it smells like winter. That'd be a good assumption.
Right,
Okay, Matt's gonna go pee because he's gonna let me order by myself. Hell no. No, I'll wait for you. Have fun. You almost.
Dude, I almost did it on purpose.
He almost went.
Purpose.
Classic. Okay, it's focused in now. We're just sitting by the trash can. Hopefully I don't drop you in. Just finished eating Taco Bell and now we're dipping in. Thanks, guys!
Stacked trays. I'm like, where's that fucking cock? That
Yeah, dude, that's that manager guy. He always parks right there. That's like the end of our road right there. It's like, and he's a manager and he like drives a Charger RT. Like, okay. Oh, what a cut. Oh, it's dark. All right. What's the stand plan? We should go over there where all those fun lights are. Probably not. It's a little late.
It's only 10.
True, but I work at 8, and we have to carry you out of bronze.
That's true.
I think this concludes the vlog for today. I think it was successful. So
Pretty good work.
yeah, it was pretty good. Pretty good. There's some funny stuff. I think that's what you're supposed to do.
I mean, we were kind of funny.
I mean, there are some
Maybe.
points that maybe you would have breathed out of your nose a little harder than usual. That was funny, man. It was great.
Or maybe at least hopefully let out a laugh that like was just kind of like a half pity, half respect.
Yeah.
Because it's like I appreciate what these guys are doing.
It was good. Alright. Peace out, bros and
Sayonara.
non-bros at the Idle Grill. Peace out, grills.